Back in the kitchen, you know how this one goes. All right, look, cooking for yourself doesn't have to be some overwhelming, complicated ordeal where you're following 50-step freaking manual written by someone who doesn't even know your energy or doesn't even understand what the ingredients do in your body. So we're cooking to heal from the inside out. And this all started with one lonely ass freaking cauliflower that spoke to me when I was shopping. So we bought it. But what do I need to do with it? I just took it and I broke it down, roasted it. Olive oil, sea salt, garlic, salt, pepper. Simple. We're just looking to transform it and not freaking kill it. So we're going to put that into the bowl. Obviously, it's been cooled the freak down. And I did my usual stare down in the fridge trying to find the answers to life in there, but instead, you know, I found some ingredients. The full recipe is going to be in the captions, but, you know, let's get a little magic school bus edition here. Kitchen Alchemy. We're not just making a salad. We're recalibrating the meat suit from the inside out. Food is medicine. Food is frequency. So the energetic breakdown. When you're looking at this bowl, you're looking at full spectrum frequency reset. We're hitting the root and the sacral chakra, the solar plexus hard to get you grounded and powered the fuck back up. The foundation, root and sacral. The kidney beans are those the roasted red peppers. They're locking you into the physical plane. They provide that dense grounding energy so you don't float off into the freaking ethers. Carrots and the marinated artichokes are feeding that sacral energy center, keeping your creative waters flowing and moving and your gut intuition sharp. The power center, solar plexus, the roasted cauliflower, the yellow bell pepper, the fresh garlic are pure gold for your solar plexus. This is where your sovereignty lives. So when you eat these yellow and white high vibe foods, you're stoking the fire of your own free will. The heart and circulation, the parsley, celery, cucumber are flushing the system. That brings in that green cooling heart chakra energy to balance out the heat, while the lemon juice activates it's the high vibe activator. It cuts through any stagnant sludge in your field. Healthy fats, that avocado isn't just for taste, it's the lubricant for the whole entire operation. It allows the nutrients and the frequency to actually slide into your cells and stick. So right now, as you're looking at this is Taste the Rainbow edition because, you know, everything's always colorful here. So we're going to get to mixing this one because it's nothing complicated. Everything's already cut out, laid out on my cutting board. We got the cherry tomatoes, carrots, parsley, cucumber, celery, yellow bell pepper. I found some roasted red pepper and roasted artichoke. We threw that into the mix, you know. There's always garlic because, you know, garlic is the bouncer. Garlic is the freaking bouncer in this mix here. Because it kills them energy vampires and, you know, the parasites. This time I grated my garlic so I don't have to go fishing in the bowl for it. Just saying. Let's cut this avocado real quick. Hopefully it's not mush. We good. Careful when you use the heel of the knife to pull out that seed. I like just doing it in here because it's just easy. Run down the knife, quick little dicey dice. And then simple marinade. There's simple dressing, so to speak. Saved a little bit of the marinated artichoke liquid. We're going to go in with one lemon, which it looks juicy. Sea salt, fresh cracked pepper. And this time I'm using regular paprika because, you know, flavor. Like, look at your spices. Look in your fridge. What do you have? Like, I usually buy the same ingredients, give or take, because I like these ingredients. Not to mention they're versatile because, as you can see, I use the same damn ingredients and I make a plethora of different things. Get in that kitchen. Get creative. Have fun with your food. Because it's the fastest way to raise your frequency. If you made it this far, you know the drill. Show me some love. Recipe is going to be in the captions. And I hope you try this one.